welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor Bob and my channel is on health, lifestyle, and beauty. In today's episode, I'm really excited because we're going to be making a light, refreshing summer dessert. So for all my subscribers who are into health, fitness, and want to be more conscious about what they're eating, this is a light dessert that is not that many calories that you will definitely love. So remember to hit that like button and subscribe, and let's get straight to the recipe. So in today's video, I will be having my mom, Valerie, and she's going to be showing us how to do this recipe. This is one of her recipes, y'all. My mom bakes cakes and pies sometimes, so I'm super excited because I've had this pie before and it was good the first time, all right? So here's my girl. We're going to call her Miss Spatula, all right? And we're going to get started.
Okay, Taylor, first we need 2 pie crusts.
All right.
Reduced fat pie crusts. Then you need 1 large 20-ounce can of crushed pineapples. 1 8-ounce fat-free sour cream.
Boom, we got the sour cream.
So we didn't have the fat-free, so we're going to use the light, which is great also.
Yes.
And 2 large boxes of vanilla instant sugar-free pudding.
Here is the sugar
Right
free
there.
pudding. Boom. Okay.
Okay. And then also 1 large container of fat-free Cool Whip. We got light in that one also.
Got the light.
Mixing. First, we're going to mix the undrained pineapple and the sour cream in a large bowl.
So just pour it off.
Yes.
All right.
And we're not going to drain it. We're just going to add it like that because it'll serve as to wet your pudding.
Okay.
And then we are going to add the sour cream.
Okay, the whole thing, all right?
Yes.
Get Miss
After
Spatula.
that, you can add your pudding mix.
Okay. All right.
Simple.
She going fast, y'all. I don't be baking and cooking, so she gonna need to slow down because I can't.
Just mixing everything together.
All right.
Simple.
Simple. And I'm pretty sure this is a good snack. I think you made this when you were on Weight Watchers, right? To kind of like watch your weight. And I'm putting both of these. Okay. Yeah, y'all. So when you're on a diet and when you're like trying to be health conscious, it's very hard to find those desserts that you'll actually love and that are also still very light. So this is one of those desserts. If you're craving something sweet, it's a great alternative to having a big 3-layer chocolate triple cake. You know, this is a great option if you want to go ahead and do a substitute. So, thanks, Mom. I'm not the best, but I'm learning. Okay. And whipped cream?
Yes.
All right. If I could open it. Oh, girl. What are they doing to this stuff in these stores? Ooh. Oh, I see it. Just kidding. They had a little red part. Alright, so here's one. And I'm just adding all of this whipped cream, y'all. It came right out. And these products are fairly inexpensive as well in the store. So it's not an expensive recipe to make. So.
We also have sweet potatoes baking right now also.
Yep, my mom's making some sweet potatoes. We got a lot going on in here. And I was just telling y'all, because I started Weight Watchers last week, and I was just telling my mom, like, I want something sweet. So I've been craving sweet stuff, so this is perfect. And I'll do a separate video to let you guys know my experience on Weight Watchers so far. If it's working, if it's not, if I cheated, if I didn't, I'm gonna let y'all know the ins and outs of Weight Watchers. But my mom actually did Weight Watchers, and she lost over like 30 pounds. And I'm
over 40.
Oh, over 40
this
pounds.
was 10 years ago.
Period. Yeah, this is 10 years ago.
I slowly started gaining it back.
Yeah, you started gaining some of it back, but you do work out a lot and you have maintained. So that's the thing that I'm proud of you about.
I would love to get back to where I was.
Yep. And I'm going to talk about that, y'all, more. So don't give everything away because I'm doing a separate video on just Weight Watchers.
Okay, so you're going to mix that up real good.
Okay.
You need a bigger spatula or is that good?
I think it's okay.
I always have to intervene.
Y'all, this is how my mom does me in the kitchen. See this? She was like, Taylor, well, you don't cook, well, you don't try to do anything. Then I get in the kitchen, and this what she do. This supposed to be my video. I'm supposed to be making it. She just supposed to be talking.
A bigger spatula.
And y'all, every time my mama make a cake or pie, I like to have a bowl, y'all. After she pour everything in the pie crust, and you know they still have that little bit of mix in the bowl. Baby. It's my favorite part when my mom makes a pie. You don't have one? It's okay, because look, it's mixing.
Mix it real, real good. Get all in there. Roll all that up.
Okay, can you give me a minute to get it?
Fold it up.
Can you let me whisk it up? Is it whisk or whisk?
No, we're folding it. There you go.
Mom, I did that before though, girl, this
So
mixing.
after it is mixed real, real well, you're going to put it in the pie crust and then you're going to refrigerate for 6 hours.
6 hours? I can't have none of this pie. Y'all, it's like, what time is it? Oh my God, it's probably like 1 o'clock.
So it'll be evening.
And it's a Saturday, y'all. So we not about to eat this pie till about 8 o'clock. Oh
We're not going to bed early anyway. So.
Girl, I want a piece of this. Oh, just kidding. I can eat the bowl after we pour it in the
You
pie
have to
crust.
make sure pies are nice and thick. You don't want a thin pie, so you're not going to eat any of the filling.
Okay, until after you pour it. And then I could eat the filling. How about that? Ooh, girl, this whisking.
It's a workout, huh?
Girl, it's a workout, but it's a reward when you get a little bit of that
Okay,
cake on
you
your
got the
finger.
plastic off of your pie crust. Make sure your pudding is mixed well in there because you don't pudding at the bottom of your.
Yes. Y'all want to see this pudding? Just using these Keebler, the Ready Crust, graham crust. These are like the best
And
crust.
I must confess, we could not find fat-free in the store, so we're going to use the regular pie crust.
The regular pie crust, y'all, but it's
We're
only
going to cheat a little bit.
It's only 100 calories for 1/8 of the crust. So it's like 100 calories per slice, basically, of crust. So, all right. Looks like we're ready to go, huh?
And those clear, that's your tops.
Okay. Yes, and you use these that I took off the pie as the tops on the thing. Let's go ahead and move over a little bit.
We're going to pour half in one and half in the other.
So it makes 2 pies,
We're gonna
y'all.
have 2 pies.
This recipe makes 2 pies, and me and my daddy
One
about
for
to have
you
a
and one to
feast
share.
in here.
One to bring to the neighbor.
Girl, we ain't sharing pies. This 2020, we got a coronavirus, we got the racism virus, we got too many viruses. We ain't sharing no pie. I'm sharing some pie. Girl, she crazy.
And pie number 2.
Perfect.
I might want the bowl myself.
Girl, you can't have the bowl. Maybe you can have just a little bit. Don't pour it on now.
All out, because Taylor is waiting to lick the bowl.
I'm not gonna lick it. I'm gonna take some, oops, I'm gonna take a little bowl or something.
And they're so pretty.
What?
The pies are so pretty. They're so pretty.
I mean, they are right.
They're pretty.
You just look. No, I'm just kidding, y'all. The pies look great.
And here are the pies.
Boom. So me and my mom each have a pie. Like I said, y'all, this recipe makes 2 servings of pies. And let me tell y'all something. Y'all gonna love these pies, y'all. And it's simple ingredients that I put at the beginning of the video. So it's very easy. Even if you're not a person that cooks, you don't even have to bake this pie.
Yep,
You combine everything in a bowl. You place it in the pie crust. You put it in the refrigerator. 6 hours later, you eat the pie. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my mom again on my channel. And I hope you do try this recipe. And if you try this recipe, let me know down in the comment section below. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Enjoy.